AI doesn't need to think in order to replace you. Oh dear. AI is overhyped. It's not conscious. LLMs are just predictive text engines. These are some of the arguments I've seen bounced around to dismiss the whole AI thing. Like, it's cool, but don't stress. There's just one problem. These statements, while they may be true, are completely and utterly irrelevant. They're part of a different conversation. Here's why. During the Industrial Revolution, millions of people got replaced by machines, and none of those machines could think. Yeah. So if you're a $2,000 a month copywriter, the minute your client discovers that ChatGPT can create decent enough copy for $20 a month, you get replaced. In fact, you'll need your copywriting skills to convince your client to keep paying you $2,000 a month. Good luck with that. And saying pay me more because I'm human won't work. I've tried that. The brutal reality is that the tool that replaces you is not even as good as you. It's not sexy and charismatic like you. It doesn't have your instincts and your good looks. But it doesn't need to. It just needs to be good enough. And the fact that it doesn't pretend to be sick every time the World Cup is on is a bonus. So where does that leave you? Well, here's the dilemma. You want to make as much money as possible, but so does your client or your boss, whichever way you look at this. And that's why he or she will always pay less for the work that needs to be done, even if it's not as good. As long as it's passable, it's a zero-sum game. It really is just a matter of time. And yes, that does mean that in the short term at least, we'll have tons of cheap, low-quality goods and services. It will be like shopping on Amazon every single minute of the day. Horrific, I know. And here's a little irony that compounds the problem. Every time you use a calculator, you replace yourself willingly. And yes, the irony is that I'm not even using a real calculator. Technology. But nonetheless, machines have already replaced most of our physical functions, and we like it. And now AI is beginning to replace our mental functions. And let's face it, we like it when we use it, we just don't want our clients to use it. But that's not going to happen, is it? So there's almost nothing left for us to do other than dedicate ourselves to perfecting the art of relaxation. But money, or more specifically the lack of money, may be a problem. So if you want to explore a way to escape this dystopian future, click this video.